Welcome, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Whether you're here because your child is a high-level athlete whose schedule no longer fits a traditional school day, because your family moves frequently and you're tired of starting over, because your child has been failed by a system that wasn't built for them, or because you simply want your family's values at the center of your child's education, you are in exactly the right place. My name is Heather Falk, and I'm the Director of Student Life and Culture, and I'm going to show you why more than 40,000 families have trusted Bridgeway Academy to protect what matters most, their child's academic future. Let's get into it. Here's what we're covering today. We'll start by looking at why homeschooling is growing in the US and internationally. Then we'll introduce Bridgeway Academy, who we are, and why families choose us. We'll walk through our enrollment tiers so you can find the right fit for your family. We'll cover tuition and some options on how to make this financially accessible. Let's start with the big picture. 3.7 million families in the US are homeschooling today. That's not a fringe movement. That's a full-scale revolution on how families think about education. Homeschooling is growing at 4.9% annually in the US, between 2 and 8% internationally as well. These families aren't opting out. They're families opting up. They've looked at the data and realized there's a better option for their children's education. And here's what the data actually shows. Homeschool students score 15 to 30% higher on standardized tests than their traditionally schooled peers. Nearly 25% are enrolled in coursework above their grade level, and the average homeschool student participates in 5 extracurricular activities. So they are living more full lives in and outside of school. Here's the critical distinction, though. Homeschooling delivers extraordinary outcomes when the student is met where they learn best. That is exactly what Bridgeway exists to provide. The families who struggle in homeschooling are the ones doing it without proper academic records, without accreditation, without a system. We eliminate those failure points, which brings me to who we are. Bridgeway Academy has been building and refining this model for over 35 years. Our mission is straightforward: to help students discover and pursue their personal excellence. Our vision is to positively impact the future through transformative education, not motivational language, a track record. 84% of our graduates go on to higher education, and we've served over 40,000 students globally. Bridgeway is a fully accredited school. We hold 6 different nationally and internationally recognized accreditations. That means we handle everything for your child's transcripts and diploma, so there are no questions when it comes time for their college applications or their NCAA eligibility if they're an athlete. For over 35 years, we've pioneered what education becomes when you remove the limitations of a traditional classroom, and our success stories speak for themselves. I want to introduce you to 4 students because the reason families come to Bridgeway are as different as the families themselves. Kobe is an elite tennis player. His training schedule made a traditional school day impossible without sacrificing either his sport or his grades. At Bridgeway, he built his school day around his court schedule, not the other way around. He practices more, rests more, competes more, and his education has not skipped a beat. Emily came to us from a public school system that simply couldn't meet her educational needs. Her family was exhausted from fighting for accommodations that never materialized. At Bridgeway, she got a dedicated educational specialist, a customized learning plan built around how her brain learns best, and she found her love of learning again. Carrie grew up moving constantly around the world. Every new school meant starting over. New teachers, new records, new systems that didn't talk to each other. Bridgeway became the one constant in her education. Her transcripts moved with her. Her advisor knew her. Her academic record was seamless, and she has found just as much success in life after Bridgeway as she did as a student. Ryan and his family wanted their faith at the center of his education, not as a supplement, but woven into the coursework itself. Bridgeway's curriculum options gave his family exactly that, and homeschooling gave him a safer environment to be himself, allowing his confidence to flourish. You may recognize your family in one of these stories. We have seen it all over the years and have a program and an advisor for every unique situation. I want to be transparent with you because the families who are most successful at Bridgeway come in with clear expectations. Homeschooling with Bridgeway is a partnership. Here's how it works. Your student manages their own course load, schedules their day, and asks for help when they need it. We teach them to own their education, which is one of the most valuable skills they can develop. As the parent, you are the primary educator in the home. That means scoring paper tests, uploading quarterly materials to our learning center, and staying on top of your homeschooling requirements. We will give you the tools and guidance to do all of that, but we want you to know it's a real responsibility. Your Bridgeway advisor handles the institutional weight, academic records, transcripts, report cards, course selection, pacing, and the accreditation documentation that gives your child's diploma its credibility. This is a partnership, and our team will do everything we can to ensure you succeed. Families who come in with understanding this three-way partnership are the most successful families. Now, let's get into how Bridgeway approaches education and what really sets us apart. Children are not one size fits all. Their education should not be either. This is our operating principle. When a student enrolls with Bridgeway, one of our first steps is a customized learning style assessment. We use this to understand whether your child learns best by doing, watching, listening, or through some combination of all three. That profile becomes the foundation of their entire academic plan. We don't hand you a curriculum and say good luck. We help you understand how your child learns best, and then we build a roadmap to help them excel. The plan fits the child, not the other way around. Bridgeway is a fully recognized, accredited school. That means when your child's application arrives with a Bridgeway transcript, it does not raise a red flag. It carries institutional weight. Cognia accreditation, WASC accreditation. 6 accrediting bodies total, recognized nationally and internationally. And for our athletes, Bridgeway offers NCAA-approved courses. If your son or daughter is on a D1 pathway, their coursework here counts. Your advisor will ensure your student is taking courses they need for full eligibility and to graduate with the credits they need. And we don't lock you into one publisher. We partner with a range of top-tier curriculum providers to match academic rigor to your students' specific learning needs and goals. For families who want live supplemental instruction, we offer live online classes. Real teachers, real-time learning on your schedule. You don't have to figure this out alone. Our academic staff carries 112 years of collective academic advising experience and 149 years of collective teaching experience. 1/3 holds advanced degrees in education. We have staff in special education, counseling, and bilingual instruction. These are experienced educators who have spent their careers understanding how students learn, what holds them back, and how to build a pathway forward. For families of neurodiverse learners, for families navigating college prep and NCAA compliance, for parents who have never homeschooled before and is terrified of getting it wrong, this makes all the difference. At Bridgeway, you have a team of experts supporting you. One of the most common concerns we hear from families considering homeschooling, but what about community? What about friendships? Bridgeway students are part of an international community of families, all on the homeschooling journey. We offer virtual field trips, student community events, clubs, parent events, and an annual in-person graduation ceremony that is genuinely one of the most meaningful days in a Bridgeway family's year. Community isn't an afterthought here. It's built into the structure of how we operate. Your child will not miss out. They will plug into something different, and for most of our families, something far better. Now, let's talk about your options. Bridgeway offers 4 enrollment tiers, each designed for a different level of support and engagement. I'll walk you through each of them so you can start thinking about where your family fits. Academy accreditation is our foundational tier at $2,500 per year, all inclusive with a lifetime price lock and no hidden fees. This tier is built for families who are experienced homeschoolers, confident in their curriculum choices, and primarily need the institution backbone that makes everything count: accreditation, transcript maintenance, report cards, and a diploma that is recognized nationally and internationally. You use your own pre-approved curriculum. Bridgeway manages the official record keeping and keeps your child's academic file clean, portable, and credible. For families who know what they're doing and just need the credential infrastructure, this is your tier. Academy Select is $8,500 per year. Still all-inclusive, still lifetime price lock, still no hidden fees. This is a great tier for families who want full curriculum, advisor support, and a personalized learning pathway built around their student. You get a dedicated academic advisor who handles planning, pacing, and course selection. You get access to the full Bridgeway course catalog, including live and online classes. Monthly check-ins keep your student on track, and if your child has unique learning needs, our staff builds those accommodations directly into the curriculum plan. This tier is for the family looking for more partnership than just accreditation and more guidance on what to teach and how to be successful in homeschooling. Academy Premium is $10,500 per year and adds a college readiness layer that is most popular with our college-bound and NCAA track students. On top of everything in Select, you get a dedicated academic success coach, monthly and quarterly meetings focusing on goal setting, project progress reviews, and college strategy. You have access to 2 specialized tracks, one for deeper curriculum support and one specifically for college preparation, and you gain access to dual enrollment and associate's degree pathways, college credit, even a higher degree, alongside high school coursework. Full access to the Elefango Learning Platform is also included in this tier, a robust supplemental content library that extends learning far beyond the core curriculum. If your student's future includes a competitive college application, an athletic scholarship, or early college credit, this is the tier that supports that outcome. Academy Noblesse is $12,500 per year and is our most intensive and most supportive tier, built specifically for students who have unique learning abilities like giftedness, diagnosed or undiagnosed learning disabilities, students who are twice exceptional, or students who just need support and flexibility to reach their best. This is a fundamentally different support structure from our other tiers. You get a dedicated, specialized student support team with a manager who oversees your child. An educational specialist provides one-to-one executive functioning guidance, task initiation, study skills, metacognitive strategies. We collect IEP, GIEP, and 504 documentation. We build a behavior growth and guidance plan. We provide family training and coordinate with outside providers as well. For parents of students who have spent years in IEP meetings that produced nothing, Noblesse is built for your family. This is what specialized support actually looks like. Depending on your state, there may be public funding available for homeschooling. Education savings accounts, vouchers, and scholarship programs that can offset the cost of enrollment significantly. The map on this slide shows the regulatory environments by state. Your admissions counselor can walk through what's available in your specific state. For the families who serve others, we offer a $250 military discount and a $500 military discount. These are our most underserved and most mobile families, and we want to remove as many barriers as possible. And for larger families, each additional child enrolled receives 10% off of their tuition. 2 quick steps. That's it. Step 1, speak with an admissions counselor, call or request a virtual meeting at bridgewayacademy.com. This is a conversation about your child to help find your best fit. Bring your questions, bring your concerns. That's what this conversation is for. Step 2, choose your program and enroll. Enrollment is open all year for both full year and half year options. You don't have to wait for September. If your child needs a change today, that change can start today. Thank you for spending this time with us. Here's what I want to leave you with. The families who thrive at Bridgeway are families who made a really extraordinary decision. to stop waiting for someone else's system to work and to build one that actually fits their child. That decision starts with a single conversation. We are ready when you are. Let's build something great together.